Hello everyone, welcome back with another episode covering the price updates for the SafeMoon SWAP partners. This is for August 10th, 2022. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into this. First up is that of SafeMoon itself. SafeMoon having a volume of $230,000 in the last 24 hours. It is up 2.43%, hanging around a range of 413. We can see it had 3 days in a row of red candles, although the last 2 days were very low as far as what the price ended up as, and the volume itself was quite low. We do have a new day formed right now, so we can see the volume is extremely low, but it's only been just a couple hours since it's launched. Moving on to Pinu. Pinu, red day yesterday, nice green candle the day before, but as far as for today so far, showing some signs in the green as I continue to move through the rest of these. Don't pay so much of a mind as to the candle of what we see at the moment. Focus more on what had closed out for the previous day. So with this one, it had $3,300 worth of trading volume and was up 0.21%. Onto MFX, it had a green candle the day before with a red, and then showing a little bit of signs of green as of the moment with $4,600 worth of trading volume, down 2.08%. Shinja, we can see Shinja had a little bit of a red day going on here. It actually had a nice climb up for a bit before it had a further pullback there, but volume was definitely quite high on August 9th. And then for the August 10th candle, closing out in a green, showing further signs of green on the new day, up $1,300 on its volume, up approximately 12% in the 24-hour period. GLOV 2 on track to showing another green day so far. We do have yesterday closing out and the day before that in the greens. So it is looking quite nice. Volume, though, is quite low. It's at $430. It is up 3.11% in the last 24 hours. Sale is continuing to make a climb. So we zoom out here a tad bit, making this run up since June 19th. It is on a second day of green with a volume of $910. It is up 2.26% in the last 24 hours. Yesterday closing out in the green. Day before, not much movement, but technically closed out in the red. Evergrow coin showing a further climb up. We had a green candle, quite nice yesterday. Previous day before that, also green. $4,700 worth of trading volume. It is up 10.68% in the last 24 hours. And then Affinity. Affinity is going on a tear right now. If we zoom out on this, we can see that it's had quite a nice climb, pushing all the way from a low, which appears to be back on June 15th. Sort of bar-coded here for a little bit, then started to make its climb, and then has just worked its way on up. So as it is right now, it does appear that it has broken above a little bit of resistance here back on July 29th. And in that region zone, we can see yesterday was also green. We can see the day before. So it's currently on its 6th day of green so far. Volume of $5,100, up 9.05% in the last 24 hours. Crypt Cards. Crypt had a nice boom boom candle yesterday. Just starting off the new day, also showing signs still being in the green. With $15,000 worth of volume, it is up 30.98%. 30.98%. Then GLOV token. GLOV token has been in a consolidated space right now, hanging right on that edge of being just a little bit above a zero. If it drops a little further, it will lose that zero. But it's been going back and forth here. It is $65,000 worth of trading volume, down 1.25%. Previously, when we were looking back at this range around the July 22nd, in comparison to that of SafeMoon, it was actually more than double of what SafeMoon was doing per day. So SafeMoon today, $230,000. GLOV token, $65,000. The hype was quite dramatic on that climb up, but it does not mean that they're out of the equation as of yet. They do have a lot of things that they're still working on. Up next is Ethereum. Only $49 worth of trading volume. In fact, here it's not showing any change at all in the 24-hour price charts. However, visually we see it. It does appear like as if it has dropped down. On to Reflex Finance. $8,200 worth of trading volume, up 6.4% in the last 24 hours. 2 days closed out in the green, just slightly in the green for the new day. Empire token making a nice progressive move. It is up 6% in the last 24 hours with a volume of $1,300. Previous candle that just closed out on the day for that of August 10th, climbing quite nicely. Then we could see that we've actually had 5 days closure in the green on the 6th day right now. Docs also looking quite good. 3 days of green in a row on a new daily candle. Volume, though, is still quite low. That volume is $160 by comparison to 24 hours ago. It's suggesting that it is down 0.3%. I don't understand how that is the case right here, but we do see that taking place. On the order books, we see for the last transaction of August 10th, it's technically a sell. So that next transaction that goes through of what visually we see on the chart, that is more than likely going to end up reflecting that. And then we see why that is showcasing that it's down 0.3% in 24 hours. So maybe I do know the answer to that. Then we take a look at Immortal with $110 of trading volume, also quite low, up 3.15% in the last 24 hours. It has had 4 days of closure in the green, showing a little bit of signs of red for the new day. Rhythm, also very low volume, $110. It is up 4.62% in the last 24 hours. Green day yesterday, red day before that, and then 3 green days before that. So it's slowly climbing up, but just keep in mind that volume is extremely low. Live Crypto Party has been falling into this consolidated space here, not making much of a move. It is at $3,100 worth of trading volume. It is up 12.51% compared to 24 hours ago. Green candle yesterday, although according to the charts so far, is suggesting that it is in the red. And the last transaction that we saw was approximately about an hour ago when I'm showing the charts here. And then last but not least is Blockbusters Tech, which is continuing to make a significant tear. And yes, I understand it's a little hard to read these elements here, but that's more based on a 15-minute time frame. What I'm showing you right now is consistent with the other ones, which is a day chart. So we can see that there was 1 day of red, but overall, since its launch, each day has been closing out in the green. So it is currently on its 4th new day of green, looking like it's getting ready to try and test some previous high levels. And then after that, it doesn't have much more to go until the only thing we can compare it to would be that all-time high, right around 14 cents. It's displaying on the charts here, closer to around 15 cents, which, don't get me wrong, if it shoots up to that, I will be very happy, and I'm sure that there will be quite a few people that are happy as well. So I hope it does that. In fact, I hope it does even more. Let's go. All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Blockbuster Tech at $350,000. I guess I just technically lied. I do have a little bit more. $350,000 worth of trading volume. $350,000 worth of trading volume, up 26.84% in the last 24 hours. Market cap at $27 million. Now I am done. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Murad Shaker, Victor Vegas, SafeMoon Honest for being higher level patrons. Also thank you to my YouTube members for your guys' support. Don't forget, if you're new, to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. I am not a financial advisor. Please go do your own research. God bless, and we'll see you in the next episode.